Okay, on to my second call for the day. We've got an ice machine that's not making ice. I think it's not been making ice for a week. It's for a trainer's room inside of a high school, so it's not like an emergency where they're serving the ice to customers. I've been working with my partner the last few days. As soon as we were getting ready to do something hard, I'm like, dude, I really got to go fix this ice machine. And we were laughing about it and laughing about it. Like right as we were getting ready to do something that needed two people, I'm like, hey man, I really think I ought to go fix that ice machine. So it's Friday, and it's this holiday week, man, and I feel like we've had 2 Mondays and now 2 Fridays. So I'm gonna start heading back over to this ice machine and get that fixed. I imagine it can't be nothing hard, but if I can get some footage, I will. So stay tuned. Okay, got a standard Manitowoc ice machine. Complaint was that it would start and stop and not make ice. So what I did is I opened it up real quick, and what it would do is it would go through its cycle, and then the compressor would kick on, shortly kicking off. And what I found is this condenser fan motor is real tight and not coming on. So I'm going to pull that out and see about matching it up, see if someone's got one in stock today so we can get the ice fixed. Okay, so I got the motor and the blade apart, and I'm just gonna cut these wires. And let's see. So now I'm just gonna go find the motor, put the new one in, get the ice working. Alright, so I pulled that motor out. I'm gonna go to a place called Dry Soaker Motors in Allsup, Illinois. So there's some content out there by hvacrtech dude. I know he rolls in our neighborhoods. He ain't made a video in a while. I don't know why. He has some pretty funny stuff. He's kind of funny. I've seen the company he works for, his vans rolling around into some of the same supply houses that he was going to. Anybody knows if you need a motor in the Chicagoland area, this is the place. They've got them all peppered around the city and the suburbs. Okay, picked the motor up from Dry Soaker Motors. They had a universal that could go in either direction, same RPM, a little higher horsepower. It was a 1/12 instead of a 1/15, but same RPMs, so it'll work. OEM was like over 200. This place, Universal, was like 60. Where the babies? Success.